So I go to ChatGPT and write the following things. We give a role to it. You are an SEO specialist with more than 15 years of experience in the field. Then we say what we need from it. Help me write meta title, meta description, H1, and the structure of an article from the headings H2, H3. Then we say that we will send them the keywords and an approximate structure, but first let's check if it understands us and ask it to write down the requirements for what I specified. So he provided us with an example even of a brand name at the end, how it may look like. So 60-70 characters for meta title. Okay, yes, meta description, yes, H1, yes, and article structure, yes. So we like everything. Now we say to write exactly what we need. So after analyzing the keywords, speaking of which I didn't mention it, I collected the keywords with the help of Ahrefs, but in order to skip this part in this video because it's not about this, I will just show them to you. So then we write, okay, follow these requirements, the ones that it wrote. Instead of the brand name, write a vertical line brand. The article must be informative and will be informative and posted on the blog. The approximate number of words is 300. Then we say what keywords to use. So the main keyword is what is artificial intelligence. Then we have additional keywords, definition, general, blah 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 blah, and at the end I say about the approximate structure of the headings. So after analyzing the competitors, I see that we can include such headings as what is AI, how it works, types, examples, benefits and disadvantages, about past or history of AI and future of AI. So let's send. What I do now, I just copy. First of all, yes, I check everything. So meta title starts with the main keyword. It contains some other words that were in the keyword. So here it's okay. I copy it and paste to the document. Yes, by the way, we didn't check the amount of words. Let's do it. But I'm sure that it's okay. 69 or less than 70, that's fine. So next, let's look at the description. What is artificial intelligence, definition, types, how it works, example, blah blah blah. So basically everything that was in the keywords. So you can look briefly them. What keywords I had. Let's count the number of words. 156, that's fine. Paste it here. Then else I write at the very end when I already have the structure and I can somehow divide these keywords to necessary, unnecessary, which one to include, which one to not to, and so on. So this thing we'll do at the very end. Next we write H1. What is definition, how works. So as you can see, it's very similar to the meta title, but it's not the same, and this is a good thing, since H1 shouldn't word to word repeat exactly what was written in the title, in the meta title. So here, what is artificial intelligence, definition, how it works, future trends, that's fine. Now let's look at the structure. I mentioned what structure should be there. So from now I just copy that and we'll decide what we need and what we don't need right here. Quite a lot. So let's see, what is artificial intelligence, the definition, meaning yes. This one is not okay. I will delete it. the general intelligence key differences. Okay, so the first part is done. Then how it works, machine learning, AI technologies, key components, and about generative and chatbots. Also good. That's fine. Types of artificial intelligence. So I can see that here, yes, it's also okay. We can leave it. Examples in everyday life, how AI is used in healthcare, finance, and so on. That's also good. So while I do it, I also look at the keywords that are used in the headings. If a heading doesn't have any keywords, then it's useless and it won't give any benefits for SEO. In our case, I see that it's kind of okay. We can leave it. So benefits and disadvantages. Benefits, yes, of artificial intelligence. We had this keyword in the list of keywords here. Then ethical concerns, okay. And the last one, very good question from the keywords, also very good. The history of artificial intelligence, so probably I wouldn't add these headings. I see that they are not really important for SEO here, and in general history is not something that we should focus on in this article. So I will probably leave just one H1, the history of AI, and the future predictions, the future of AI. So probably yes, these three H3s I will delete too, but instead I would add H2 conclusion, where the copywriter will summarize everything that was written before and maybe add a call to action here. So that's all about this part for now. Now we need to write questions for FAQ section. So how I look for them? First, I can look in Ahrefs. We wouldn't focus on it now, but if you can go to Keyword Explorer, type, don't forget to choose the correct region, type your query. So in our case, I would probably type AI or artificial intelligence. Then go to questions, and you will find a list of questions there that you can take and bring to your article, bring to your content brief. And the second method that I use is Google. Just Google. So I already typed the query here, so I'll again do it with the help of Paladin app. And so we have the result, the page with results. How I choose questions for this section. The questions shouldn't repeat the information from the article and bring more insights on the topic, let's say so, and give deeper ideas. Types of AI we had, in simple words, I'm not sure that we will take it. This one example also we had one. Is AI good or bad? By the way, this one could be added. So one. Next, what do we have? The most common type of AI used today. This one probably, because I'm not sure that the article will give this answer. It's about a different thing a little bit. Who created AI? This part could be answered in the history of AI section. What is the goal of AI? This one is very good. Well, let's take one more. About jobs. What jobs will AI replace? So there we have the list of words, the list of keywords, or the list of questions. Then we have the list of keywords. And I would say that, oh no, it's not done yet. Else. So let's see, definition. So we take artificial intelligence definition, it would be the first out. Then we have how it works. How does artificial intelligence work? This one. Then types. So we don't have, if I'm not mistaken, types here. Well, let's take artificial intelligence. Technology. Examples we had. And two more. Let's take tools. And benefits. Yeah. Now it's done. And so I didn't name it. Next we correct the requirements. So this is a template, and it's up to you to make it to a real content brief for a real copywriter. What I would add also here, I would also add some links, internal links, maybe some anchors or anything like that. I will point out to the copywriter that this anchor should be included in the text in this part, for example, in this place. I would also provide some useful links with articles on similar topics from competitors, so that the copywriter could look through the information and know exactly what to write about. And some other important parts, for example, about the distribution of the words throughout the text, where to place which word, and if necessary, I will write about some specific heading, some specific parts of the text where it, for example, it's not really clear what to write about, so I will tell about it in the requirements section. That is all, actually. So thus we have a complete content brief for a copywriter that we can send to the client to check, and if everything is okay, it will go to the copywriter and the text will be written. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video useful, as I said at the beginning of the video. Leave a comment, leave a like, we will appreciate it. And